Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a hungry dog. He wandered from street to street, searching for food. One sunny afternoon, while passing by a butcher's shop, he found a big, juicy bone lying on the ground. His eyes sparkled with joy. He quickly grabbed the bone in his mouth and happily ran away. The dog thought to himself, "This bone will fill my stomach, and I will enjoy it all by myself." Feeling proud and excited, he decided to go home and eat it peacefully. On the way, he came across a narrow wooden bridge over a river. As he carefully walked across, he happened to look down into the clear water. To his surprise, he saw what looked like another dog holding a bone in its mouth. In reality, it was only his own reflection, but the greedy dog could not understand this. He thought, "That dog has an even bigger bone than mine. If I bark at him and scare him, I can snatch his bone too. Then I will have two bones instead of one." Blinded by greed, he opened his mouth to bark. But the moment he did so, the bone he was carrying slipped out and fell straight into the river. The greedy dog tried to catch it, but it was too late. The bone sank deep into the water and disappeared forever. Now the poor dog had nothing. His stomach was still empty, and his heart was full of regret. He realized his mistake and walked back slowly, thinking, "If only I had been satisfied with what I had, I would still have my bone. Because of my greed, I have lost everything." From that day on, the dog learned an important lesson.